How to share a Google form with the public. This tutorial shows you how to make your form accessible to anyone, not just specific people. First, open the Google Forms app on your particular device, either your phone or PC. Open the form you want to share publicly. From there, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. At this point, tap on Send or the Share icon to open the sharing options. From there, tap on the link icon to generate a shareable link for your form. After that, tap on Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. In the next step, before sharing, go back and tap on the Publish option, then double-check your form's access permissions. Once done, also confirm collect email addresses and limit to one response are turned off if you want fully open public access without restrictions. Following this, go back to the Send menu and paste the copied link wherever you want to share it, such as social media, email, or a messaging app. From here, anyone who receives the link will now be able to open and fill out your form without needing special access. Keep in mind, once a form is shared publicly, anyone with the link can submit responses, so make sure you are comfortable with open access before widely distributing it. Finally, go back to your form and confirm the link is working correctly by testing it yourself before sharing it further. And that's it. If this guide helped you share a Google form with the public, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.